listen to your heart real quick.
Laura Bond has a history of breast cancer in her family. Traveling from Midland to Temple, she chose Baylor Scott & White's early detection clinic to get tested after finding a spot on her breast. After a series of tests done in one office visit, she received her results quicker than she could have ever imagined.
Within 2 days, I had the results. It was fantastic. So all in one day, I was able to knock out all of those things that would, in my hometown, would take 6 months or better to see every one of those physicians. And here it was very rapid, super sweet, super kind. They gave you the feeling that they really cared about you, and that's a rarity.
That is the heart behind the early detection clinic. We want to find the cancer early and get a diagnosis as early as possible, either of cancer or to rule that out for peace of mind.
The results were benign. Laura and physician assistant Courtney Brazil says early detection is key. If she had to wait longer to be tested, the results could have been worse.
There are many well-known benefits of getting a cancer diagnosis early and being able to plug a patient in with the right treating oncologist as early as possible. Patients are shown to have lower risk of morbidity, meaning the complications due to cancer, and mortality rates are decreased as well.
Depending on what test you need, it can take weeks, even months, to get any sort of diagnosis. Dr. Michael Volk with Baylor Scott & White knows that time is precious when testing and getting results.
For my entire medical career, I've noticed that when patients get a scan or a blood test or something that suggests they may have cancer, it's an extraordinarily stressful period. And what often happens in most places throughout our health system is that they have to work with their primary care doctor to get additional testing, sometimes a biopsy, and only then do they get referred to the appropriate cancer specialist who then gives them a treatment plan. And so for the patient and their family, that's just months in some case of uncertainty. So we decided to change that.
From what Dr. Volk says, from tests to diagnosis to a treatment plan, it can take 3 to 4 months for a patient to get any answers. With the early detection clinic, results come much quicker and the feedback has been nothing short of positive.